So here are our chefs getting ready for dinner or making dinner. So what you guys are making?
What do you got over there, sweetheart?
I'm making some of my famous mashed potatoes. I already put the potatoes to boil, and here I've got a little secret cream.
Secret cream.
Her secret cream for her mashed potatoes to make it softer. And Mike is over
Just
there.
shredding Parmesan cheese. That's all I'm doing right now.
A lot of chopping here. They're just doing some chives. And Mike is doing his potatoes.
No, I'm not the one cutting onions. I got a sheet pan, parchment paper, and a bunch of the Parmesan cheese I shredded earlier. Because the Parmesan cheese is going to be my glue, so you can't be stingy with the cheese. And that julienne was perfect. I'm glad you had that in your storage. We got you see the arrangement, I overlapped them all. Then I'm going to put the cheese on top again because I'm trying to use the cheese to glue all the potatoes together. So again, you can't be stingy with the cheese. This is just Parmesan cheese, shredded Parmesan cheese. And then once you have the cheese on there, I'm going to top it with some salt. And I just like using sea salt. Sea salt. And I'm supposed to use black pepper, but I prefer the Montreal steak seasoning. Just light dusting of that. And that's it. Now I'm going to put this in the 350 degree oven for about 30 minutes to get a nice golden brown toasty. No more tears.
Just chopping some onions.
I'm going to start by browning off for my next dish. I'm going to brown off about, I did half an onion, I did 3/4 of an onion because I thought the whole onion was too much. So I got that in the cast iron skillet with some olive oil, and I'm going to brown that or cook it all off, I should say. The onions that I've caramelized in the oil are ready. About 10 minutes, and now I'm going to put in a pound of lean, very lean beef, so 90-10. So I got the beef browning, I've got some adobo seasoning, some Montreal steak, some paprika, and I'll put garlic when it gets really close. Browned off, I've got garlic incorporated in there, of course, and the onions are already simmering. Now I'm going to put in a can of diced tomatoes to complete this meat sauce.
Looking good.
So the meat and the tomatoes are done. I'm going to just transfer it here just to hold it until I need it later. I hate doing dishes, so I'm using the same pot that I did the beef in, and I got some olive oil. I'm going to put about 2 cups of spinach in here and wilt it all the way down with some salt and some garlic. Oven timer just rang and our potatoes are good to go. I'm going to pull this out and I'll let it cool. This is the spinach. You see how I just wilted down now? Now just cook the raw edge off of it and incorporate it with the next ingredient. Spinach is done. I'm going to put that in this other bowl and I'm going to combine it with a cup of ricotta cheese. Here's ricotta and a cup of ricotta cheese. And stir all that up and combine. The spinach that I made earlier, well just now you guys saw that, I'm going to spread that on here first. Don't go all the way to the edge, you want to keep the edge open. And then I'll get the meat mixture I did earlier and spread that on top. And I want to keep the juice out, so just put the meat, leave the juice in the bowl. So I covered it up with the meat, and now I'm going to do a light dusting of mozzarella cheese on top, and I'll probably do some Parmesan since this house loves Parmesan. Basically, it's like a little pizza, potato pizza. So now I'm going to take this parchment paper. The reason for the parchment paper is so I can get this in a roll. So I'm going to try my best to roll while peeling back the parchment paper. The reason for that Parmesan cheese was to have the glue on there. The Parmesan cheese is what holds the potatoes together. Without that, it'll just be loose potatoes. And I need the paper to continue rolling over. And when I get to the end, I'm going to twist it sideways to bring it over to complete the roll this way. And there's your roll. It's been in there for 15-20 minutes, ready to come out. It's got a nice little brown color on it. It's ready to slice. So I'll go ahead and slice this. Again, we haven't sliced it yet, so we'll see how this comes out. Oh, that came out perfect.
Let me see.
And again, you can see the spinach, the ricotta, and the meat, the potatoes. That came out really good.